Americans are heading toward retirement without enough money saved. The new research shows just how serious that gap really is. A new report finds millions of workers have little to nothing set aside for the future, raising concerns about how people will afford life after they stop working. A report from the National Institute on Retirement Security shows American workers with retirement accounts like 401ks had a median balance of about $40,000 in 2022, but the median drops to just $955 when all workers are included.
They think that Social Security will be enough to allow them to retire in the future, and unfortunately, that's not the case. With the increases in the age at which you start getting benefits and the decreases in the actual benefit amounts.
Local economist Richard Gerhardt says rising retirement ages, lower benefit amounts, and stagnant wages are making it harder for workers to save. He says the average American would need to save $300 to $400 a month starting in the early 20s to have enough to retire by 65.
As of now, you need about $1.5 million saved by the time you're age 65 to kind of not see a dip in your standards of living. Most Americans don't have the disposable income to be able to do that.
The report also underscores the growing reliance on Social Security, which provides about half of the income for older adults. Without congressional action, benefits could be reduced after 2034.
You're looking at retirement ages absolutely 70, maybe 72. As the norm, and what Social Security might consider the age at which you start to get full retirement benefits.
And this isn't just a future problem. Gerhardt says a lack of savings is already affecting Americans nearing retirement age. He says about 60% of Americans over 55 have no private retirement savings. Many will be forced to sell their homes just to afford retirement if smaller or cheaper housing options even exist.
A report just came out that said our national deficit will be close to $64 trillion in 10 years. We are rapidly heading to an unsustainable future because we just don't have enough money. We're not taking in enough revenues.
Gerhardt warns the retirement gap is widening across education and racial lines with long-term consequences for healthcare access, housing stability, and economic inequality. Still, he says there is something people can do right now.
Start saving. Put away $100 a month. It doesn't matter. You've got to start with something. Be risky for investing when you're young, but no matter what stage of life you are, start contributing today.
Gerhardt adds it's also important to plan for future health care costs, which can be 3 to 5 times higher in your 70s and 80s. He says staying healthy now through diet and exercise can help reduce financial stress later in life.